Thanks for joining us this evening on Fox 44. I'm meteorologist Caleb Chevalier, winding down a mild, if not, well, warm day for the tri-state. Evansville now at 47 after being in the mid-50s this afternoon because of those southerly winds. They're now out of the south-southwest at 11 miles per hour. But the clouds are here, and for some of us, we really had to deal with the cloud cover for much of the day, although I think Indiana, especially north of the Ohio River, you got away with a little bit more sunshine earlier today. 46s and 47s kind of shaping up for our Kentucky cities, Henderson, Owensboro, and Madisonville, all also with those cloudy conditions. That's going to be remaining the case throughout tonight, and after midnight is when we're expecting the rain to move in and will be falling throughout your morning. So as you're headed out the door for Monday, 42 degrees, then 43, so not a whole lot of movement in temperature for the morning, but it's definitely going to be raining in some capacity through that time period. And I think we'll have to wait until 10 a.m. before the heavy rain gets here. So at least for this timetable, that rain should be on the lighter side. And speaking of that lighter rain, well, here is the national radar image, and I've widened it out so you can see the low pressure center responsible for all of this, really generating a lot of rain and even some thunderstorms over in the panhandle of Texas and in Oklahoma. But check out all the heavy rain close to the proximity of that low. So we'll get the lighter rain first, but then we do also have to deal with some moderate to perhaps some downpours at times for tomorrow. So this is what Futurecast has to say about it. And the clouds, again, they're sweeping in as they've been doing so over the past few hours. In the pre-dawn hours, we're getting the rain in here over the tri-state. And this is pretty much, well, it's a 100% chance of rain scenario. Everyone in the tri-state is going to be getting some form of rain at some point tomorrow. And it really should be in here for all of us by the time the sun comes up. And then from mid-morning to midday, there's your heavier rain, some downpours in the mix, and we'll also see this warm front lift to the north as we go into tomorrow afternoon, and that will set the stage for some possible thunderstorms. Now, there aren't going to be too many showers in the area between 5 and 9 p.m. I think that's the time period I like best to have some lightning potential. So anything that we do see within that time period, like what Futurecast is suggesting here, this could have a little bit of thunder with it, but outside of that, we're really not looking at anything too strong. So that low actually starts to curl up to the north, so we're dry on Tuesday, although the cloud cover stays in place, and we'll have to watch and see just how much of this wraparound snow, along with that same low pressure system, will make it in here for Wednesday. Not that it's going to be impactful. It's really not. We're just talking about some flakes flying, maybe mixing with a little bit of sleet and some raindrops. But that could be impacting us for Wednesday. But again, not a whole lot coming out of that one. As far as rainfall through Monday night, you could be picking up close to an inch if you're west of Evansville. For most of us, it looks to be about a ½ inch to maybe 7/10 of an inch with this one. So not really offering too many concerns for the rivers. 51 degrees tomorrow with rain and a chance of some thunder, and cloudy and cool for Tuesday. So nope, no sunshine there. We're going to have to wait a little bit for that sun. Speaking of which, on your 7-day forecast, when we do see some sunshine, it's a lot colder. 30s for highs on Thursday and Friday, and a lot of sunshine heading into the weekend. So it looks nice, but it will be on the chilly side.